Hello and welcome. Here we will do an implementation step by step of infix to postfix algorithm in Python. In other words, we will translate these into Python code. We will create a function that will receive an expression, and for each char of that expression we will analyze that and see if it is an operand, a left parenthesis, a right parenthesis, or an operator. Then, if it is an operand, we must print. If it is a left parenthesis, we push on the stack. If it is a right parenthesis, we pop from the stack and print. And when we find a left parenthesis, stop and discard the left parenthesis. If it is an operator, we must check first if the stack is empty or has a left parenthesis on top. If this is true, we push on the stack. If not, we must check if the precedence is higher than the top of the stack, we push. If not, the precedence is lower or equals than the top of the stack, we pop and print and repeat the step 4. Repeating the step 4 means that we have to check again if the stack is empty or has a left parenthesis on top, and if not, we have to see the precedence rules, etc. Okay, so when we finish this, analyzing all the chars from the given expression, we must go here, and if the stack is not empty, we must pop and print all the operators from the stack. Okay, it's just this. The first thing that we will do is for each char we will check if it is a operand, a left parenthesis, a right parenthesis, or a operator. So let's do that. I already have this function set up to postfix. It will receive an expression, is a string, and it will return another string, the result. Also, I have this stack with 15 positions. This stack, I do the implementation for these in another video, and I will leave the link in the description of this video. Okay, so our code will go here. For each char in expression, we check if is operand and we pass the char. Elif, we check if it is an operator, we pass the char again. Elif, we check if the char is equals to left parentheses, and elif, we check if the char is equals to right parentheses. Okay, I have this on a different order from the slides, but this is not important. The important thing here is these two functions, is operand and is operator, and I have these defined on top. Let's go here. Is operand, it will receive a char and just checks if it is a uppercase char from A to Z, just that. The is operator, it checks if the char, the given char, is on this string. Okay, if it is a plus, a minus, times, or division, or power of. Okay, we did the check operations. Now it's time to do the operations itself, the actions. So the first one is if the char is an operand, we must print. Back to our code, we just have to go here, is operand, and since we have a result, a string, we just have to do result plus equals to char. The first one is done. The second, left parenthesis, we push on the stack. Here we go to the char equals to left parenthesis, and we just have to do stack dot push char. Okay, this stack is this stack. Okay, next operation is right parenthesis, we pop and print until the left parenthesis is found, and then we discard the left parenthesis. The next one is char is equals to right parenthesis. So let me hide these, and let's focus on this one. We declare a C pop that is equals to stack dot pop. So we get the first char from the stack, and then we do a while. C pop is different from left parentheses, we say result is equals to plus equals to cpop, and then we update the cpop equals to stack pop, just this. And the next is the operator, and this is the most complex because we have here a lot of decisions to do. So the first thing to notice here is we have a loop, okay, and also we have to decide if the stack is empty or has a left parenthesis, and then we do something, or if the precedence is higher or lower than something. Okay, so let's do just that. The stack is empty or has a left parenthesis on top, and then we push. Here again, let's minimize this one, we don't need to see these, and let's focus in is operator. Okay, so like I said in the slides, we have a while true because we don't have a rule about these. And let's first get the top char, okay, and we say stack dot top char. We just are getting the top char, not removing it from the stack, okay. And then we say if stack is empty or top char is equals to left parenthesis, we have to stack push the char. And because we have this while true, we must do a break. Okay, let's put here a else, and let's take a look on the slides what to do next. In the next step, we need to compare the operator precedence with the symbol that we find on the top of the stack. These are the rules for operator precedence, and we need to convert these into numbers. Okay, so let's do that. Back to our code, we are here on the else, and the first thing that we need to do is precedence of the char is equals to get precedence. I'm calling a function and I'm passing the char, and then I say precedence of top char is equals to get precedence, and I pass the top char. Okay, now let's say this function will return an integer, so we can do after these if precedence of char is higher than precedence of top char, we do something, else we do another something. Okay, let's see how this is done, the get precedence. Let's go up, and here I have the function defined. Let me expand, and it receives a char, okay, and the result is an integer, starts at 0, and it will iterate over the operator's string. The operator string is just this: plus, minus, times, division, and power of. Okay, and for each iteration it will increase the number of the result, and if the char is equals to the C, the char that we are analyzing on operators, is equals to the given char to this function, it will break. Okay, so the counting stops. And if the char, the C, is equals to minus or division, it will decrease 1 and break. Why we have this? Because plus and minus have the same value, and times and division have the same value. Okay, so because of these, when we find minus or division, we remove 1 from the result and return. Okay, because minus have the same value of plus and division have the same value of multiplication. Okay, is just that. So going back to our code, we already have this here. We get the number, the value, the integer value of the precedence of the char, and the precedence number of top char, and then we can compare it here. Okay, now that we can compare, we can see this. If it is higher, we push on the stack. Okay, so let's do that. So here, where the char precedence is higher than the top char precedence, we say stack dot push char. Okay, it's just that. And because we have this while true, okay, we must break, push on the stack and break. The next thing to do here is, if the precedence is lower or equals to the top, we pop print and repeat the operation for. Okay, we go here to the else part and we have to say just result plus equals to stack dot pop. And because we have a while true, we don't need to do anything, because this will repeat. It will go here to the top and get to the next top char and verifies the rule about if the stack is empty or the top char is equals to left parentheses, and if not, it goes here, gets the precedence and checks the precedence again and do all the things again until it goes out from here and goes out from here. Okay, the next step is, because we ended the evaluation of the expression, we reached all the chars. Now we have to go to the stack, and if the stack is not empty, we must pop and print all the operators from the stack. So again in the code, and after the for loop, while not stack dot is empty, while the stack is not empty, we do cpop is equals to stack pop, and we do result plus equals to cpop. And with this, our algorithm is done. Okay, and the last thing to do is test our function to convert infix expressions to postfix expressions. So I have these set. Okay, these are the infix expressions and the comments are the postfix expressions, and I have also a loop over these infix expressions, and I call the function to postfix. Then I print the given infix expression and the result postfix expression. Okay, so let's run these, opening the terminal and Python, and this is infix to postfix, enter, and we have our result here. Okay, this is the end. I will leave a link for you to download the code in the description. Okay, and as always, thank you for watching.